Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm going to be a first grade teacher. It's my second year. I'm moving from third to first grade and today is open house. A lot of people call it open house Meet the Teacher, so technically we have Meet the Teacher tonight. We call it open house and I'm going to kind of show you what I've done to prepare for it, kind of what I leave out for my kids, kind of how the night goes, and I'll also give you a little sneak peek of how my room is. So kind of how ours works is you have new families come anytime from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. and then you have returning families come from 6 to 8 p.m. And so I had one family come this morning and she was so sweet and it was so fun. So I'm excited for tonight. Here's my little OOTD. I have on this waffle knit top from Albion Fit. And then I have on these pants from TJ Maxx and then also J Slides. Also, LOL, I'll show you my slides. So here is what the parents will see when they come in. There's me in first grade. And so that's the first thing they see. At each seat, they have their open house folder and then a ready confetti, which I made, and then a little pop-it bracelet that says let's get poppin', I make this year awesome. And then our school has little tags for their cars, so that's underneath it. When you open the folder, it looks like this. I have my little contact card right here that's a magnet. It just says my school on it, so that's that. Here is a little homework assignment that I give the parents to write me a letter about their child, and then their little student information sheet. This stuff I always tell them on this side comes back to me. This stuff they can keep. So I have a little scan below to hear Miss Marsh read you a story, and it's the night before first grade. Then I have my flip chart. Whoop. And this just has my contact information, daily schedule. This one's kind of funky, but class dojo, homework, Mr. Readers, flexible seating, school supplies. If you have any questions on this, let me know. Actually, this one's not stapled in. I need to fix that. So some other forms on this side, I have their class dojo login info and then a little get to know me page. Here is our student of the week little information, and then a meet the teacher thing, which isn't in here for some reason. Okay, I'm going to do that. Never mind, it's right here. So this is my meet the teacher, and that all goes in this side. They will also have a little checklist on their desk. I haven't passed that out yet, so that way they get everything they need to done before they leave. So here is my room right now. It's like 90% done. I still have some things I want to do to it. So you walk in, that'll be my sound wall. There's my morning tubs, my assistant's desk. Here's a one for just the first couple weeks of school for first grade. That'll actually be my affirmation station. I just haven't had time to put that up yet. Here's where our happy helpers are, and that'll be where our spelling words go, classroom mailboxes, birthdays. Those are some class lists there, and then just like a cutie little motivational thing. My desk area, the kids' desks, those are some extra stools I need to put in my closet. And then my letterboard that says, I am so happy you are here. That is actually really cool. This whiteboard thing closes. I was about to make an anchor chart there, but it closes and it has my whole brain teaching rules on there. And then you go over here and we have my rocking chair, and up here I just have our little flip calendar schedule. Here's what I do for open house. It says, please take a sweet treat to donate, and then the parents will just come and grab one of these things off that they want to donate to our class. The no name thing isn't staying there. This will be our word wall. Our little book buddies and quiet critters are under there. Some books, I just need to go through those because I haven't done my library yet, but that's what that'll be. This was my spelling centers, but I don't know what it's going to be this year. Pencil sharpener and bookmarks. And then up here, this is one of our read alouds for tomorrow. And then I have my whole little calendar area. Here are our voice levels. So you just tap. I absolutely love this. Last year, that was one of the best things I ever did, along with these hand signals. I love those too. Here's our calendar, days of the week, seasons. I have a sink area I haven't really put together yet. Those chairs, because I can't really show that much, but I have flexible seating. And so it'll change, and those chairs will obviously go back there. Here's where we're putting student work, and I have my numbers up there. I didn't show, but there's my alphabet. And then here is one of my favorite things about my room. It's my rug. I absolutely love it. And I didn't even realize that this says "You're My Sunshine," and so does my pillow. So we have a theme, but it's also like boho rainbow, so kind of both. And then there's the door again. I have these lights up. I absolutely love the lights. And then over there, I have amazing work. I will do a more in-depth classroom tour once it's all done, and I will literally go and explain everything, where I got everything from. So this was just a quick little tour for open house, and I will catch up with you guys later once I'm all ready for Meet the Teacher, open house, whatever, and I will keep you updated. I have been planning for the first day of school, so I have a bajillion papers on my desk and it's just everywhere. And then I have my planner over here where I'm like trying to get it all together. So that's what we're doing now. Hello, it is time for open house. So I'm all ready. I decided to go with this blue dress. It's comfier, and I have on these cute little earrings. They're from One Passionate Teacher. And I have also side note, I do have a coupon code. I'll leave it in the link below or in my bio below. But I have a couple more things that I need to do, so I'm going to hurry to the school. Parents come at 6, or they can come anytime from 6 to 8, but I just need to like set up a couple more things and then get ready. So let's go. It is 5:05. Also, her Instagram is Teaching Takes Passion, but her personal one is One Passionate Teacher. So just wanted you to know that. I'm bringing this for them to put the parent letter in. I feel like it would be better. All right, when you come in, we have this. Go ahead and leave your child a note so when they come in, they can see what you wrote. I need to put the writing paper here, extra pens and stuff. This is where they'll put them, but I also put the envelopes in here. I have my one balloon, have it all kind of picked up. Their desks have all their things on them. I have this message on the board, and then right here is just where they put erasers, X-ray markers, pencils. That one fell down. It said wipes, and then tissues will line up there. And I have decided I'm gonna have them put their pencil boxes here, and I'm about to go through her stuff and put it in our community bin. And I need to put the laminator up, put their directions out. So I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. It's 5:43, so I need to do this really quick, and then there'll probably be parents coming. So I'm also gonna put on a little bit of like background happy music. All right, you guys, open house is over. My second open house in the books, and it was so good. I definitely felt more confident, especially as the night went on. I mean, it was a bunch of like repetitiveness, but it was great, and it was so much fun. I love my kids already. They are so cute and sweet. And it is just crazy to me how different third graders are from first graders. Like, I don't know. They're really shy, and it was just so sweet, and I just like can't wait to get to know them on Thursday. And so I'm just very excited, and I know that the Lord put all of those kids in my class for a reason, and I'm just so excited to be their teacher, and we're gonna have so much fun, and I just love them already. It lasted the whole time from 6 to 8 pretty much. Well, probably it's like 7:40. But it's 8:15, and I'm gonna go meet my dad for dinner. But hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight on open house or Meet the Teacher, whatever your school does. I know it's different for everywhere, but maybe this helped you kind of get ready for yours, or kind of know what to expect. Maybe you want to do some similar things, maybe you want to do different things. Totally fine. Hopefully this gave you some ideas, and maybe you know, calmed your nerves a little bit. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more teaching videos. I'm planning on doing a lot of like day in the life, things like that, because I know a lot of people are curious. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll talk to you later.